Here I have VIVO X51 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card into this device. So first of all, you have to take your device, find a SIM card slot which is located here at the bottom of your device. You will need the special tool to eject this slot. So you have to put this tool into the hole, the slot will come out. You can just eject it with your bare hands, and here you have to insert your SIM card, just like this, and then put it back into your device. And as you can see, it requires PIN to unlock my SIM card, or unlock my device with this SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.